Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you want to see how I made this luxury tic-tac-toe game board, continue to watch. Alright you guys, so here are the items that we're using today for this project. These small cubes, they come from the Dollar Tree. I believe it comes in a pack of 15 or 20. I can't remember. Now, why did I have to twist my wrist like that? These cubes, they're 2 inches. I bought those from Hobby Lobby. This gold metallic acrylic paint, it also came from Hobby Lobby. This black acrylic paint, I've already had this on hand. So as you can see, the color scheme is going to be black and gold. This tic-tac-toe game board, it also came from Hobby Lobby. And the X's and O's, they come with it. So that's nothing extra that I purchased. But I wanted to add something to it. That's why I bought the cubes. And here I have the foam brushes that I'm going to use. This pickup stick for the rhinestones, it didn't work, so I did not use it. And the black rhinestones are 3 millimeter. I believe they're resin. I can't remember right now. But these rhinestone sheets, I purchased these from Amazon. And then lastly but not least, my handy dandy glue gun. So I forgot to mention that I am using B7000 glue along with the hot glue gun. I didn't mention in the previous clip. And now I'm just using that black acrylic paint to paint the board of the tic-tac-toe game. I'm going to paint the top, the sides, and the bottom, and the small cubes that I'm using as the legs. And I just love using acrylic paint because it dries really quickly. And now you see me using hot glue to secure the X's and O's to these 2-inch cubes. And here you guys, you see me using that gold metallic paint to cover the cubes and the X's and O's. Give it maybe about 2 or 3 coats of paint. Alright you guys, so now you can see that the cubes have been fully painted. So now I'm going to move on to adding those 3 millimeter rhinestones to the tic-tac-toe game board. I'm going to go, you see where those indentions are right there in the board? I'm adding the rhinestones right there. And the rhinestone sheet, I'm going to cut that and add it along the sides. And guys, you see me rubbing my fingers across these rhinestones. This mat makes the rhinestones flip over on their backs, so it's easier to pick up. So here's that B7000 glue that I'm using. I purchased that from Amazon as well. It comes in a pack of 3. And that pickup stick, it wasn't working, so I switched to my regular pickup stick. And yes, the tip does need to be changed, but it is working for this project. And now all the rhinestones have been added, and look how pretty that is. It was plain before, but look how pretty those rhinestones are on the game board. And here you see me taking this rhinestone sheet. I cut it in 3, I believe. I cut 3 rows. And then I just removed that backing. It's already sticking, so you don't need to add any glue. You can if you like, but it was unnecessary because it did stick pretty well to this wood. Now I've completed putting all of the sheets on the sides of the game board, and look how those rhinestone sheets shines. Try to say that 3 times. And now I have some gold 3mm rhinestones. I purchased these from Amazon maybe a year ago, and I'm adding it on the top of the X's and O's. I forgot to mention the glue that I'm using to add these gold rhinestones to the X's and O's is Gem Tack. It comes out white, but yes, it does dry clear. You'll see later. And guys, you see the rhinestone sheets in gold. I cut 9 rows of this, and I planned this as I was going. I added the rhinestones in the middle on the X's and at the bottom on the O's. And guys, this was another fun project to do because it did not take long to complete. The longest thing was waiting for everything to dry, as far as the glue to dry completely. But I would say it probably took maybe about 3 hours. This is a nice little addition or accessory you can add to your coffee table or in your dining room. I can't say that this will be used much, but it is a nice addition. And here it is, you guys. Look how beautiful and stunning this looks. I just thank you guys for watching my video. Stay tuned for more. Please like, comment, and subscribe.